Hey there, so today I'm going to show you how to create the G Drive, the Google Drive folder and files. So it's quite easy, you just literally just copy a few templates in and make the folders and stuff. So to get started, you just go on this link and this link will take you here to the lead generation clients. And then the first thing to do is to create a folder with that business's name. So in this case, the business is called Corey Ozo, okay? Done. Right, so now that's done. After you have done that, you then go into the folder, create a new folder and call it scripts, then create another new folder and call it lists. And then after you've done that, then you go back to lead generation clients, make a copy of logins sheet, and then rename it to logins sheet Curioso. Okay, and once you've done that, just drag it into the folder. Yep. Then make a copy of the LinkedIn profile summary template. And once you've done that, rename it to Curioso at the end and drag it in there as well. Okay. Now, once you've done that, go to reports. Oh, it's already here, but just act like it's not. New folder, name it after the company. Done. And then once you've done that, give me 1 second. And then once you've done that, go into Curioso, go into profile summary, file, click on share, copy the link, go to LinkedIn Outreach, go to build profile task, right? And then paste the link right at the top there. Okay? Now, once you have done that, you need the website, the contacts, and the profile. So, to get the website, go to payperform.com or .co, sorry. I'll give you the login details. You just go to dashboard. Now, if this is LinkedIn, then you go to LinkedIn domination. If this is, for example, email, like lead generation, onboarding, and scope, you can go to this one. 9 times out of 10 it will be LinkedIn. If you have any questions, ask me. So just click on view submissions. Now, based on the business, you then look for the submission. So here we've got Curioso, as you can see. So click on view. And then you just, we can create your custom one, and then you just collect the website. Give me 1 second. So it appears that I had the wrong client name all along. This guy, even though his email address is Curioso, that's actually his surname, not his business. Funnily enough. Oh, fuck. So instead, this is the URL. So we're going to use this. So I've just checked the website. It's here. So that's perfect. So with that in mind, then you go to Asana. You put the website here. And then once you've done that, profiles wise, you then go to proxy list, proxy checker, and then you check which profiles have been assigned to this account. If there are none assigned, then ask me beforehand what ones to assign, and I will assign them for you here. And once that is done, then you just put the profile names here. So let's say it's Millie, luxury digital, etc. And then context, for context, I recommend you export this as a PDF or a Word, and then once you've exported it, you then download it and then you just drag it into here and you'll add the file here, and then you put attached paper form file. Okay, and then once you've done that, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, bye bye.